Well, good day everyone, it's Shenell here from Angelic Interior Designs, and today is just going to be a quick video on a few thrifted items that I found at my local thrift store, and I am going to spray paint them and then style them for you. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. I'm not going to talk much in this video, just watch and again have a little fun. And again, this is just something that you can do on a low-end budget, and you can go to your local thrift, pick up you a few vases as you can see here in the clips, and then use a simple bottle of spray paint and give them new life. See you in the next one.